On your block in Wayne County, there's a new resource in Detroit to help the homeless. The Pope Francis Center is opening the Bridge Housing Campus. It will be in the Core City neighborhood. This $40 million facility will help address underlying issues such as substance abuse and mental health before moving people into permanent housing. A significant portion of that funding came from private foundations and corporations.
For 10 years, the mayor and the city council have been completely aligned. We may argue about other things, but when it comes to affordable housing, when it comes to a commitment of no homeless in Detroit, we have fought side by side.
The hard work begins now to change people's lives forever.
CBS News Detroit's Andres Gutierrez takes us inside the facility that leaders say they hope can be a model for other cities.
We're stepping into one of the 40 units that will house a chronically homeless person, those who have been on the streets for a year or longer.
I think that most folks will spend 90 to 120 days. I think that will be an average of what people will need to kind of experience some healing and stabilizing time, and then we'll move them from here into permanent supportive housing.
The studio apartments at the Bridge Housing Campus will have several amenities to support the residents' physical and mental well-being. There's a commercial kitchen that will host job training classes. There's an area for medical checkups, a dental clinic, and even a barbershop.
We are making sure that we are not only providing affordable housing for residents, but folks that may not be there just yet, making sure that we're meeting them where they're at.
The facility also has a courtyard with heated sidewalks and some shade to accommodate those who aren't ready to move indoors.
We're far enough away from downtown that for folks that have triggers there, we can remove them from that space, but we're also close enough where we can shuttle people back and forth.
Father Tim McCabe says unlike other areas where resistance is common when an idea like this comes forth, the Core City neighborhood has welcomed the project.
It's been needed here in this community for years, maybe about 10 years or so.
The first group of residents is expected to move in by the end of this month, though the timeline may adjust depending on the selection process.
If we want to really address crime and poverty, we've got to be able to welcome the folks that are already here in our neighborhoods and provide them the space to heal from the presenting issues that are causing the homelessness and provide them an opportunity to become self-sufficient, to live independently, to work.
Andres Gutierrez, CBS News, Detroit.